Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a delicious pollo adobado. So if you want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Okay, so first we're going to begin by seasoning our 3 pounds of chicken. Here I have a combination of drumsticks and chicken breast, and I just created some slits. And I'm just going to season with salt and black pepper. And just make sure that you pat dry your chicken because we're going to be searing. Alright, so once we have seasoned our chicken, we're going to set it to the side so we can make our adobo sauce. To make our adobo sauce in a small saucepan, we're going to add our half an onion, 1 large tomato, 2 chile moritas, 1 chile ancho, and 7 New Mexico or guajillo chile pods. Just make sure that you clean them. We're going to cover them with water, set it on high heat, and bring it to a boil. Okay, and once our chiles have come to a boil, we're going to turn it off and transfer it all to our blender cup. Okay, so now we can make our sauce. To a blender cup, we're also going to add our 5 garlic cloves, our whole cloves, coriander seeds, thyme, oregano, ground cumin, cinnamon, and ginger, along with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and our 3 cups of chicken broth. And now we're just going to be blending until smooth. Alrighty, and just like that, we have our adobo sauce. Okay, on our pot over medium-high heat, we're going to be heating up 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Okay, once our oil is nice and hot, we're going to place our pieces of chicken. And we're going to be searing for 3 minutes per side. We're going to be doing this step in batches, so make sure not to overcrowd your chicken. Okay, after 3 minutes, we're going to flip our chicken over. And allow that side to sear for another 3 minutes. Okay, so once we have seared our chicken all around, we're going to remove it from the pot and repeat the process with the rest of our chicken. Alright, so once we have seared all of our chicken, we're going to reduce the heat to medium. Now we're going to be adding our sauce. Make sure that you strain if you need to. Scrape the bottom of your pot. And here I'm going to be adding some chicken bouillon. And now we're just going to bring it to a simmer. Once our sauce has come to a simmer, taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. For me, this is perfect. So now we're going to get ready to add our chicken. So I'm going to be placing the big pieces first. Make sure you add the juices. Just make sure that the chicken gets coated in the adobo sauce. We're going to be adding 2 bay leaves. Cover it and allow it to cook for 30 minutes on medium-low heat. Alrighty guys, and after 30 minutes, let me tell you that it smells delicious. So our chicken should be done, but of course, just make sure that you check it and it's fully cooked. But I am so ready. Okay, so now we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, serving. So I like to squeeze a little bit of lime juice on my chicken and just top it with a little onion and cilantro, and of course serve with some tortillas, and just like that we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this recipe is seriously super easy to make. It's so flavorful and it's honestly super delicious. So I am so ready. Of course, the best part is the adobo sauce. Grab the chicken, the onion, cheers, and enjoy. This is seriously the best. It's so good, so juicy, so flavorful, and it's perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a super easy and delicious pollo adobado. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.